Hello everyone. Today we will continue with the topic advertisement. Let's have a quick revision of this topic. Now you can see that advertisement which is on your screen is classified in two different parts. One is classified advertisement and second one is display commercial. Now let's continue with the classified advertisement. Classified advertisement are used by individuals where in magazine or newspaper. Now what is the purpose of these type of advertisement? The purpose of such type of advertisement is which is written in magazine or newspaper to promote or to advertise about what? About services and goods. About services and goods. Now classified advertisement change according to space. Even such type of advertisement is having word limit also, that is 50. Now next is display or commercial. Display or commercial advertisement can be seen in the form of banner where you will see that logos, animations, videos, photographs and graphics are used. This is to increase the ads effect and it assembles just like a poster making. Now next, categories of classified advertisement. Now classified advertisement can be written in 4 different situations. One is situation vacant, second one is too late, third one is sale or purchase, it can be of property or vehicle, fourth one is tours and travels. Now the first one, which is about situation vacant. Before starting our advertisement, these 2 words will be written, wanted or required, in the starting of situation vacant. Let me tell you one thing, the situation vacant, too late, sale or purchase, tours and travels are the column where we will write down our advertisement. So before writing our advertisement, we should know which column will be appropriate or useful for us. So as we are going to write about post vacancy, so we should know that yes, it will be written in situation vacant. Now to start this or to continue, here you can see some points which will be used to write such type of advertisement. First, wanted and required word will be written in starting, which will be in capital letter. Now next, name of the post and then number of the post will be written. Okay, now name of the post first, second number of the post will be written, and then qualification related to that post, who can be eligible. Now preferences will be there, and then as I told you that salary column will be like you will be there to write negotiable. Okay, even you can write in digit also. For example, like salary required in 5 digit, 6 digit, 8 digit, in such way. Not appropriate salary will be written, but yes, you can mention that mentioning of digits can be only the hint that how much you required, how much you want, but better to write according to me negotiable. Okay, now to whom and how to apply. At last, as we used to write contact number or contact address, so here also we should write to whom that person have to apply, and what will be the source or the process to apply for this job. So that will be mentioned, to whom and how to apply. Okay, now this was the first column of situation vacant. Now second, you can see too late. Here we will mention that what type of accommodation is there, then related to that accommodation size and location will be written, then the facilities what it is provide, or what you want for yourself. Listen, too late means two different situations are there, one for the renter and one for the owner. If an owner want to give his or her house for a rent, then he will tell his or her facilities which he is going to provide to the renter. And if you required or if you want any house, so you have to give your priority that what type of house or accommodation you require. So depends, type of accommodation will be mentioned, next size and location will be mentioned, then facilities what it is provided by owner or what renter want, then preferences and contact address with phone number. Now the third thing is sale or purchase. Now the third topic is sale or purchase. As I told you, in situation vacant we will write wanted or required word. Here also available word will be written at first. Available for sale, available to purchase. Next, as I told you, sale or purchase topic will be for accommodation, property or vehicle. Okay, now first we will write down available, then sale or purchase word will be written. If accommodation is there, then type of accommodation. If vehicle is there, then type of vehicle will be written. Next, if you are writing type of accommodation, then description of the accommodation, for example like size, location, facilities will be written. And if type of vehicle is there, then description of vehicle will be written, like what type of model is there, what is the color of that vehicle, accessories related to that vehicle and condition. Clear? Now the fourth one is tours and travels. Tours and travels is one of the important point or topic. Here you will write down about the destination. It means the places where tours and travels or where tour and travel or visit takes place or took place. Duration, how much time or how much days will be there to take or to complete that tour. Details of the facilities, for example like stay, boarding and food. Then cost or expenditure related to that tour and travel will be explained. If any package is there, I have written if any because discount and package depends on travel agency or tour agency. Okay, so whenever you are writing tours and travel advertisement, first you should define that what is the destiny. It means what are the places which will be covered, then duration, how much days being used, then details of the facilities, it means where to stay, boarding, even about food, how much amount or how much money you have to pay, if any package is there, and at last travel agency will write down its address with phone number. Clear? Now on your screen you can see the format of a advertisement. The fourth situation what I told you, situation vacant, to let, sale or purchase, and the fourth tours and travel. The format of such advertisement will be same. You have to make a box. The box will be there as I made. Then the first word will be in capital. Situation will be written here. Then after writing situation you have to skip a line. Content will be written what you required, and then contact number of the person where or to whom you have to contact. Clear? These are the questions given as a homework. Thank you and have a good day.